To multiply numbers in Excel, select the cell where you want to display the product of the multiplication. Enter the comparison operator equal to, followed by the first number, the asterisk, and the second number in the formula bar. For example, I'll type the formula equals 5 by 2. Press enter to calculate the product. To multiply a range of numbers, use the product function. Select the cell you want to display the product. Click on the Formulas tab at the top of the screen. In the Function Library section, click on Math and Trig to expand that menu. From there, click on Product to insert the product function into the cell. Now manually select the cells you want to add up. Click OK to execute the formula and display the sum of the column. And there you have it. Multiplying numbers in Excel is a useful tool for performing calculations and data analysis. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the free playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.